Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a new point description inside of MicroSurvey's FieldGenius for Android. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've got my main menu open, and I'm going to select the first option in the middle there that's for project data. So within the project data menu here, I can change anything that I want about my points, my point descriptions, codes, line work, any of that kind of thing can be changed in here. But for the point of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the codes option there at the bottom left corner, and I'm going to add a new point description. So to do that, I'm going to hit the big blue add button here to the surprise of nobody, and I'm going to type it in here. So let's call this base point. Oh, I got to learn how to spell here, base point. So once I have base point entered, you can see that I have no matching codes. There's nothing in the database that will conflict with this record at the moment. And I also have the option to add a line code. So all a line code does is it allows me to set out a series of points that I can then automatically join with line work. So if I'm doing something like the edge of a sidewalk, I can add a description that is edge of sidewalk, make sure that line code box is checked, and then every point I tag along the edge of the sidewalk will automatically be linked up with line work. But in this case, I just want to add a base point for the point of saving my base later when I'm setting up my receivers. So I've got base point entered here. There's no matching code, so I'm going to hit add. And then you can see here, if I resort here by, let's go feature name descending. So we'll go, actually, let's go ascending so we can see our thing. And we can see here that the first option here is my newly created base point. And if I head back to my project data menu here, and I go to points, and I go to create a new point here by clicking add, and I go to give it a feature or a code, you can see that I now have this base point option available to create a new point with that code. And that is how you add a new point description inside of MicroSurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps us keep making these videos for you guys. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.